Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Realty. Today I'm in Mustang Lakes in Salina to check on the Britton home that it's behind me. So as you can kind of tell, they have finished the exterior, the bricking and stone, they have poured the sidewalk, and they have got a lot accomplished inside. So without spoiling it, I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna go take a look. All right, awesome. So as you can tell, they have put up the brick and the stone. They still need to do, it's gonna be like a metal overhang there. So, but yeah, the brick and the stone look phenomenal. It looks really, really good. And of course they had the driveway up before, but now you can see the front walkway. So real quick before I go inside, I wanted you to see, this is a 3-car tandem garage. All right. So coming in the front, oh, they've got your coach light up. That's pretty. Your front door is in. That looks really good too. And then as we come in, beautiful 2-story entryway. Oh my gosh, that light fixture is so awesome. Okay, off to the right, we've got an office. Pop-up ceiling. That looks good. And then there's a formal dining also. Again, nice tall ceilings. They've got all of the light fixtures in. Back over here to my left, we've got a full bath, bedroom, and then we have some closets as well. So they've got the plumbing fixtures in, everything's in, they've got the light fixtures in. And last time we filmed this, they had to redo this whole area. So as you can tell, they're almost done with it. That looks really good. So you've got that linen closet. You've got a coat closet. And then this is the bedroom. Yeah, that looks really good. Well, no light fixture yet, but they're probably, I'm sure it's somewhere in the house. And then we have a walk-in closet. So you'll have hanging on either side. Continuing out. This is really nice. This is where you will come in from the garage. Then you've got a laundry room back here with cabinets, so your washer and dryer are straight ahead. You do have a sink. They do have tile in, although it's kind of hard to tell. That looks really nice. And then they have a mud bench here too. So shoes and coats and whatnot can hang there. And then coming in, we've got a beautiful 2-story living space. Fan is in, fireplace. Beautiful wall of windows, and then it opens up into the kitchen where they have counters and they have your light fixtures. Oh, that looks really nice. So as you can tell, all the cabinets are white except for the island, which is black. Your refrigerator is going to go in this big space here, and then you have 2 ovens, I believe, and a microwave in this space here. And then you do have a little butler's pantry area in between here and the dining room. So cabinets, upper and lower, and then a nice big pantry. It's really nice. All right, so they have your vent hood up too. That's really beautiful. This is gonna vent to the outside. All of the venting and everything will be up in there, but your drop-in range will go right there. And then here's some pots and pan drawers directly below it. These are always really nice to have. Nice big sink, 1 big basin. I like it when they're not 2 basins. You have a pull-out trash can here, and then your dishwasher will go there. That looks really good. Light fixture in the dining area. Awesome, and let's go check out the master bedroom. Nice, it's tucked back over here in the corner, and there's like another little hallway down here, so really like that. And then you have a double door entry too, 2 doors. Love that. Pop-up ceiling, nice, light, bright, spacious. And then into the master bath. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh wow. Yeah, this tile, oh my goodness, it's everywhere. It's so pretty. So you do have his and her vanities. Lots of storage. Light fixtures are in. And then this is the water closet right as you come in, so that's nice. Keep going forward and you have the entrance into the shower. That is so pretty. And then your nice giant soaker tub. And then this closet here is for linen. And then you have a giant master closet. One of my favorite things that Britton does is they build out these closets. They're almost like they have a very custom feel to them. They're so nice. Very well thought out. Yeah, and then you even have some more over here in the corner. That looks so awesome. All right, now we're gonna go check out upstairs where we have the rest of the secondary bedrooms. This is a 4-bed, 3 and 3 bath. Yes, there's not a half bath. Oh wait, I think there is upstairs. Sorry, I think it's 3.5 bath. All right, so going straight up. We do have a game room and a media room up here as well. So you see this orange tape, that's where they've been coming back, and they have some sheetrock touch-ups to do here. So this is your attic access. Right off to the left, we have your game room. And then media. That looks fantastic.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? Awesome. Okay, then we have a secondary bedroom here. Nice and big. This is a very nice room. I'd say it's 12 by 14 maybe. This is a large room. And nice big walk-in closet. You do have, well, there's a linen closet there, but you have a full bath right here. So they're doing some painting, so they've got it all covered up. That's neat. Awesome. Okay, and then going across, we have 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. Nope, sorry. 1 more bedroom. Oh my goodness, y'all. Whew. Okay, here we go. Last bedroom. And you have the closet is across, right? So closet's here. That's going to be a little attic door to be able to access stuff there. And then the bathroom. I love the archway in here. Single sink, tons of counter space. Same tile as the bathroom we just looked at. That looks really nice. So awesome. They're supposed to be putting the floors in this week. So this is just, it's so cool how that just keeps coming together. I'm in love with that fixture. That light fixture is so cool. Another look this way. And let's go check out that Texas-sized patio. It's already getting hot here because it is summer in Texas. So these patios, these giant covered patios are very well appreciated so you can stay cool in these hot summer months. They also come with fans, so just a little added bonus. But this is a massive patio. Like, it's so large, it's crazy. And there's your fan. So they put your gas stub all the way over here, which is really nice, so your grill is not gonna smoke everybody out when you're trying to cook some food. Nice big grilling area. You could make a little outdoor kitchen right here. And then yeah, it's huge. All right, and then you have a really good sized backyard here too. Not everybody has this size of a yard in Mustang Lakes, but this is plenty big enough for a pool, play set, trampoline, whatever you want to put back here. Okay, y'all, that concludes the tour this week. The house is very quickly coming along. It looks amazing. Like I was saying, they're supposed to be putting in floors this week. That's super exciting. And we should be closing here in the next, God willing, less than 2 months. So that would get you in here before school starts. Awesome. You know how to get a hold of me if you have any questions. For those of you watching for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with LivingWell Realty, and I would love to help you with your new construction home. If you're looking to buy in specifically Salina or Prosper or in the Collin County area, y'all give me a call. Reach out. You can text, call, email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment via the link below. Until next time, guys, take care and God bless. Bye.